Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. As in my last video, I told you about what is OJT and AAT. Now in this video, we will see about its preparation and will tell you how to get it. So watch video till end. Join our premium monthly membership packages to get additional benefits. But before we start, I would like to tell you that we all are facing difficulties and aviation is most affected from this disease, and it may not be same after everything gets normal. But I want you all to have faith in God and improve yourself so that the best will be recruited, and keep patience and we'll able to survive in this field. On-job training is very important part of your course where you are able to learn many new things, and we all must be prepared to gather as much as information as possible. So here are steps to prepare for on-job training. Number 1. Improve your basics. Meaning of this statement is we need to focus on our basic theoretical knowledge, which mainly includes Module 10, Rules and Regulation. We must be familiar with our rules and regulation, and in civil aviation requirement, everything is given. So, every person working in aviation industry must follow this. You must be familiar with aircraft hardware such as fastener, tools and equipments, while its material for yours and others' safety, and it's given in Module 6. So, make a quick notes or charts to quickly revise and learn about it. As you will be learning actual maintenance, you must be familiar with all the procedures and safety precautions. So study Module 7 wisely. Power plant is heart of an aircraft and its major component and most complicated part of metal bird. You must learn basics of gas turbine engine such as its principles, working. Module means stages like compressor, combustor and turbine. Also need to learn about their purpose. Try to refer Rolls-Royce, Pratt & Whitney, CFM and General Electrics because these four are main engine manufacturers most widely used in civil aviation. Module 11 or 12, the biggest and most important module where you are able to familiarize yourself with main system of aircraft such as hydraulics, pneumatic, fuel, and apart from this, structures, flight controls, equipments, etc. So try to master this module and you can master the basics of aircraft. If you are from avionics, you must be familiar with very basics of aircraft and power plant. Thus master these modules. Apart from this, you need to learn about general aviation like who manufactures the aircraft, which airline operate, which aircraft uses CFM or GE or Pratt & Whitney. And many such small questions can prove to be very effective. Also learn about your national authority, which is DGCA, and about Airport Authority of India. Also learn about their policies like Udan scheme and their structure of management. This all thing will strengthen your basics in AME and aviation field. Technical official requirement, which means try to maintain documents such as passport or police verification, Aadhaar card copies, PAN card copies, bank passbook copies, light bill xerox and also character certificate. Fulfill all requirements from organization providing on-job training to you, because keeping correct document will always help you to join quickly. Number 3. Protect yourself. As you are new to things in field, it's really important to protect yourself from injuries, contact with hazardous substance and also from fluids. To do this, we need to wear personal protective equipment while working. Many organizations may not provide PPEs and they might not be following it, but we need to get our own PPE. It is really helpful to wear gloves, mask, disposable gloves, apron and safety shoes. Always keep your eyes and ears open. If you found anything hazardous, problematic or anything which is unusual, report to department manager or ask them to aware you. You need to keep a diary and notebook. Remember, the experience we are gaining is not just to fill logbook entries but to make yourself aware. Human tendency is that we forget many things if not written or revised. For that, we need to keep diary while performing or after finishing the task. Write down keywords and safety precautions in your diary. For example, you are working on fan module. Write down task as installation of fan module on GE90 or CFM56 if you are doing that. Then write down tools used like 5x16, 3x8 spanners. Write down parts name like spacer, shim, retaining bolt, fan blades, and then observe each and everything. Also observe safety precaution followed by person working on it. Now, after finishing couple of tasks at the end of day or at your home or PG, write down work you performed or observed in detail in your notebook. Do this every day. It will feel boring sometimes as you may be tired, but this method is really beneficial and helpful for future job interviews. This trick and guidance was given by my brother and dear friend Pavan Verma. He found it very helpful during interview, and you must apply this beautiful learning technique. There you will find many managers, AMTs are rude, but try to talk nicely and it's a good thing to do. We don't know anything and they are knowledgeable. So try to get maximum knowledge and data from them. Ask them about their education, how they joined the organization. Try to be friend of person working there. And I am not saying just to do it for short-term benefits, but being friend with a person working in an organization will help you in learning and training, also in future recruitment. Also be friend with other students and make a group where you can share your ideas and knowledge and take maximum output. To summarize on-job training. On-job training is crucial for knowledge of aircraft system and its component. You must learn each and everything. Even cleaning of aircraft components and its parts is crucial job, and do it properly. I request you all to never keep in mind that this task is good or bad. Anything you will do there is always gonna help you, my friends. Actual environment training is upgraded training in which you will get theoretical as well as real practical knowledge, and those students undergoing this training keep themselves aware that this training is big opportunity. You must follow certain guidelines to learn maximum from it. As mentioned earlier, PPEs is very crucial. Your training school or college must provide it, or if they refuse, then buy yourself one. Number 2. Maintain short diary or book to write procedures. Also try to note each and everything after listening to briefing provided during AET. Number 3. Sometimes you may not be allowed to perform the task, but never mind. Observation is real skill. Observe, learn and then write and revise. OLWR. Remember these 4 things. Number 4. While you got time during break or any free time, read manuals or documents and observe the surrounding, how things are there, how shops are distributed, how racks are kept, see components preservation, tagging as well. Number 5. Feel free to ask doubts. They will appreciate your doubt as you are amateur and they know about everything. That's all for preparation of OJT and AET. I hope you got some idea about it. I would like to thank some fellows like Ravi Kumar, Priyal Amlani and Pavan Verma for sharing their experience. I will be glad and open for suggestions. Happy if you can share me your experience in college while doing AET and during OJT in comment box down below. Now, some advice from my side to get job. You may find it effective. According to DGC official documents, I have found out non-schedule operators and schedule operators of India. The list of all non-schedule operators and schedule operators is in my Instagram post. You can check it through link in description. I am telling you this because you can contact them through emails, calls and ask them about vacancy. Does they provide on-job training? By segregating organization according to your requirement, you may find positive response from some organization. We never know what's near us and we miss the opportunity. Also, if currently you didn't find the place in organization, insist them to call you back in future for interviews and placement. This was small help from me. I wish you all get your OJT and job soon. Keep maintaining our planes. As you all know, I am recruiting for Aviation A to Z. All details in my previous video on thanks and recruitment updates. Please check it out. If you found this video helpful, beneficial and knowledgeable, subscribe this channel and share this video to all your friends and colleagues. That's it for today, my Aviation A to Z family members. I will bring such informative videos. Till then, good luck and stay safe.